Well, actually, Dr. Nader is my father. So I was always going here. Dr. Nader was my dentist forever since I was born. And I probably saw Dr. Resek for the first time for my first and only, hopefully, root canal. I've never had to question my dad ever throughout all the years that he did my fillings and things like that. And then going to Dr. Resek was just a little bit, but it was excellent. He did a great job, and it turned out great. My husband and I moved back to the area, and I just had my first daughter, and I just came in to do some kind of filing every now and then, just help out assisting at the front office. And the older my daughter got, the more I would come in working, and then we made it official that I'd come back full-time and be the office manager. With Dr. Nader's years of experience and his, you could say, bedside manner, being very relaxed, and Dr. Resek being very motivated and always wanting to learn the new techniques and new technology, I think combined is a perfect match here. With Dr. Resek's implant training that he's completed, and he's been doing them in the office, the patients that have had him completed are just very ecstatic. They're changed, whether it was a patient with loose-fitting dentures that were not working for them, whether they're eating, if they were painful, or if they were just slipping constantly. With the new implants they've received from him, they're just ecstatic and they have no worries. It's just a whole new person. I think, just from my personal experience, him doing my root canal, where I was so nervous with the transition from Dr. Nader to him, very relaxed, very informative. He stresses the information to the patient, because a lot of times the patient will be in the chair nervous, and sometimes when you're talking to them, they're really not hearing you. So he makes sure, of course in a lovely manner, that they are informed about the procedure, if they're having any issues during the procedure, and of course he's very personable with them. The staff is fantastic. It really is a true family, and it's a big difference from going to any other work environment, because you really feel like it's a team effort here. I would say just seeing different patients every day, and knowing them by name, and that the patients also know the staff by name, is a big plus of working here. So many times there's patients that start here and they're so afraid just to be in a dental office. So when they do get in here and they come in for their first appointment, and that little first initial bit of being scared is gone, it's always so nice when they're coming back and they start calling you by name and their smile is on their face. It's just nice to see that change in them.